Hello everyone, Bhavishya here from CoinDCX. And one of the most asked features from our community was to be able to take leverage while trading. And finally the time has come. CoinDCX is launching its first margin trading terminal, and now you will be able to take up to 5x leverage on crypto pairs from most liquid exchanges like Binance, Huobi, HitBTC, and many more. So let's go ahead and take a look at exactly how it works. Click on margin here at the top. This is where you would find margin trading in your CoinDCX account. Sign up now if you haven't already. These are the pairs available currently on margin trading. There are already quite a few and more are adding every day. I'll just go forward with one of my favorite pairs, XRP BTC. And the 8-hour candle says that it probably go further down. So this is probably the right time that we could demonstrate shorting. So shorting simply means that when you think that price of a currency would go down, you would short it instead of buying it. So normally you usually bet on things that go up. You would buy a coin and then sell later on when it goes up. But when you get a functionality to short something, you can make money when it goes down. Sounds interesting, right? Let's try doing it. Let's try shorting XRP. Currently price is 8947. Shorting means that you expect it to go down. So target price, you can directly mention the target price here. Let's say I think the price would at least be 8900. Stop loss is the price that you decide at what price you want to exit the trade in case it goes up opposite to your prediction. Here in shorting, you're predicting the price is falling down. So in case it goes up, at what point you would want to sell it. So let's say I think that it will be a bad news if the price goes 9100. I'll push my stop loss further away just to make sure my order doesn't liquidate. And this is where I can mention the price I currently want to sell XRP. So shorting basically means that currently you'd be selling at a higher price and later on you'd be buying for a target price. So I think that I'd be selling at, let's say, 896. No, I don't think it will go that high. Let's just say 5. Let's just go with 5. So let's say I want to sell 100 XRP at the rate of 895 and then later buy it back at 8900. That's what shorting really means, that you're buying low and selling high, but you're doing selling first and buying later. I think the order looks good here. The stop loss is further away. Let's choose the leverage here. So this is probably the right time to talk about leverage, what taking leverage really means. So suppose you have 10,000 worth of Bitcoin. 2x leverage simply would mean that you can now place the order for 20,000 worth of Bitcoin. CoinDCX will be giving you 2x leverage. On most coins there are 4x, 5x leverage available. Apparently here on XRP BTC it's just 2x. It's variable on the coins, but you definitely see 4x, 5x leverage on other coins. So let's just go forward with 2x, trying to sell 100 XRP at 895 rate because it's shorting, and I want to buy it back at 8900 and exit the trade if the price goes as high as 9100. So looks good here. I'll place the order. So as soon as you place the order, your position would come right here in the active positions tab and you can track it right here. It is yet to reach the entry price, which is at 8950, and currently the price is 8940. So as soon as it reaches the price 8950, the order will get placed and we'd be able to track our PNL like we are tracking in other orders. You can find your margin order history right here in the margin history tab, or you can view the complete history from this button right here, view complete history, or you can always go to order tab right here and click on margin history. This is the page where you would track all your margin orders. And what do we see here? Our order has already been executed. That's how CoinDCX liquidity works if our prediction is right and our order value is pretty close to the current value, it gets filled pretty quickly. Liquidity is pretty amazing here. So, and you can see, you can track your profit and loss right here. As you can see, our order has already started making profit here. Small, but profit indeed. And there, that was the tour of DCXmargin live right now on CoinDCX.com. Go ahead and sign up now if you haven't, and if you're already a member, sign in right now and start trading on margin. Just try it once. I'm sure you're gonna love it. See you until next time.